Here's a more detailed, exam-ready, and clinically enriched explanation of ketamine, expanding each section for deeper understanding. Ketamine, detailed study note, AMAR. 1. Basic information, expanded. Generic name, ketamine. Classifications. Dissociative anesthetic, NMDA receptor antagonist, analgesic at low doses. Common brand names, Ketalar, Ketaset, Ketanest. Available forms, IV, IM injection, most widely used, intranasal spray, e.g. esketamine for depression, oral lozenges, off-label and chronic pain. Number 2, definition, expanded. Ketamine is a phencyclidine, PCP, derivative that induces a unique state called dissociative anesthesia, where the patient appears awake, eyes open, reflexes intact, but is unaware, immobile, and insensitive to pain. This makes it very useful in emergency and field settings. 3. Mechanism of action. Primary and secondary actions. Primary mechanism. Non-competitive antagonist of NMDA receptors. Blocks glutamate, reduces excitatory neurotransmission. Secondary actions. Stimulates opioid receptors, analgesia. Increases catecholamine release, HR, BP. Enhances dopamine activity, hallucinations, mood effects. Acts on GABA pathways, indirect modulation. Clinical result, analgesia, amnesia, catalepsy, rigid posture, dissociation. 4. Pharmacokinetics, detailed. Absorption, IV, immediate effect. IM, rapid 3 to 5 minutes. Intranasal, moderate onset. Distribution, highly lipid-soluble, rapid brain penetration. Redistributes quickly, short duration of action. Metabolism, liver via CYP450 enzymes convert to norketamine, active metabolite. Excretion, renal urine. Half-life, 2 to 3 hours. Clinical effect, much shorter due to redistribution. Expanded clinical uses. Anesthesia, short surgical procedures, burn dressing changes. Trauma cases. Emergency medicine, rapid sedation in violent, agitated patients, pre-hospital care. Pain management, acute pain, low-dose ketamine infusion, chronic pain, neuropathic pain, cancer pain. Psychiatry. Treatment-resistant depression, suicidal ideation, rapid effect. Respiratory use, severe asthma, bronchodilation effect. Number 6, indications, more specific. Hemodynamically unstable patients. Pediatric anesthesia, safe and effective. Battlefield ambulance use. ICU sedation. Refractory status epilepticus, off-label. 7, contraindications, detailed, absolute. Known hypersensitivity. Relative, severe hypertension. Ischemic heart disease. Raised intracranial pressure. Controversial. Psychiatric disorders, e.g. schizophrenia, thyrotoxicosis. 8 precautions, detailed clinical points, continuous monitoring required. Oxygen saturation, BPHR, pre-medication with benzodiazepines may reduce hallucinations. Use cautiously in alcoholics, drug abuse history, avoid overstimulation during recovery, reduces emergence reactions. Number 9, how to use clinical practice, always administered by trained professionals. Patient should be fasting if elective procedure, monitored continuously, often combined with benzodiazepines reduce hallucinations, anticholinergics reduce secretions. Number 10, dosing information. General anesthesia, IV, 1 to 2 milligram per 4 to 10 milligram per kilograms. Procedural sedation, IV 0.5 to 1 milligram called pain. Subanesthetic dose, 0.1.5 milligrams. Depression, esketamine, intranasal under strict supervision, given 1 to 2 times per week initially. Number 11, missed dose, overdose, expanded. Missed dose, not applicable, clinical setting drug. Overdose signs, severe sedation, coma, respiratory depression, rare but possible, hypertension, tachycardia, psychosis. Management, airway support, oxygen ventilation, symptomatic treatment, no specific antidote. Number 12, stop or avoid taking. Avoid in substance abuse patients, uncontrolled cardiovascular disease. Stop if severe agitation, allergic reaction, persistent hallucinations. Number 13, side effects, expanded. Common, nausea, vomiting, dizziness, blurred vision, increased salivation. Psychological, hallucinations, dreams, nightmares, confusion. Serious, laryngospasm, apnea, rare, increased ICP, dependence, chronic abuse. Number 14, vital. Key points for exams. Preserves airway reflexes, increases BP and HR, unique feature, causes dissociative anesthesia, rapid onset, short duration, used in trauma and shock patients. 15, drug interaction, increased sedation, benzodiazepines, opioids, alcohol, affect metabolism, CYP inhibitors, ketamine effect, CYP inducers effect. Cardiovascular effects, combined with stimulants, excessive BP rise. 16 drug comparison, feature ketamine, propofol, midazolam, etomidate. Analgesia, strong, none, mild, none. BP ephemeral, airway reflex, preserved, lost, minimal effect, hallucination, yes, no, no, no. Use in shock, preferred, avoid, good. Number 17, patient teaching ketamine. 1. Before receiving ketamine, inform your doctor if you have heart disease or high blood pressure, mental health conditions, e.g. anxiety, psychosis, liver problems, history of substance abuse. Tell your doctor about all medicines you are taking, including herbal drugs. Avoid alcohol, sedatives, or recreational drugs. Follow fasting instructions if used for anesthesia. Number 2. What to expect during treatment. You may feel detached from your body, dissociation, dreamlike or floating sensation. You may remain awake, but will not feel pain, may not remember the procedure. After receiving ketamine. Common temporary effects: drowsiness, dizziness, blurred vision, confusion. You may also experience hallucinations or vivid dreams. These effects usually wear off within a few hours. Now 4. Safety precautions. After use, do not drive or ride a bike, operate heavy machinery, make important decisions, avoid alcohol for at least 24 hours. Always have a responsible adult with you after discharge. 5. Mental and emotional effects. Ketamine may cause mood changes, anxiety, hallucinations. Stay calm in a quiet environment. Inform healthcare staff if symptoms are distressing. Number 6, risk of dependence. Ketamine has abuse potential. Do not use without prescription. Increase dose on your own. When to seek medical help. Contact a doctor immediately if you experience difficulty breathing, chest pain, severe confusion or agitation, persistent hallucinations, severe vomiting. 8. For patients using esketamine, depression treatment, must be taken under medical supervision only. You will be monitored for at least 2 hours after each dose. Do not drive until the next day after a restful sleep. Report worsening depression, suicidal thoughts. Number 9. Lifestyle advice. Maintain a calm, low-stimulation environment after treatment. Stay hydrated. Follow all follow-up appointments. Number 10. Key reminder example. Ketamine causes temporary dissociation and impaired judgment. Patients must avoid driving and stay under supervision after use. Thank you. Have a nice day.